They call her the heart of the church, an angel draped in light, always smiling, always kind. But behind that smile lies a silence so cold it swallowed countless souls.
Welcome back to a new episode in the Build Your Fantasy World series. In this one, we're designing a brand new character, the Angel Queen. Stick with us until the end, because unlike our usual approach of creating a character sheet, this time we focused on a story-driven illustration of the character. Here's her story.
At the border between the realms of angels and demons, there lies a grand city ruled by a pure-blooded angel. She is deeply respected by all angels, not just because of her noble lineage, but because of her unmatched power. She's proven herself in countless brutal wars. The truth is, they don't just admire her, they fear her. To keep her destructive wrath and battle lust in check, she was appointed ruler of one of the largest border cities. She has a kind and beautiful face, but don't be fooled. Beneath that smile lies something darker, something that resembles a demon more than an angel. Still, there's no need to fear her. As long as you follow the church's beliefs, she'll never go against its will. But the moment someone strays from the church's doctrine, let's just say mercy isn't part of her vocabulary. It's time to define the base colors of the character, the ones that will help shape its personality and overall mood. This step is super important because these early color choices set the tone for everything that comes after. Whether the character feels warm and approachable or cold and mysterious largely depends on what we choose.
Now that we have both the sketch and the color palette, it's time to finalize our character concept. This concept will serve as the foundation for our final illustration. She's more than a queen. She's the guardian of the line between faith and fear. And sometimes that line gets blurred. If she ruled over your city, would you kneel out of love or fear?
And that's it for today's video. Thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed the process. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more character designs and world-building content. See you in the next one.